Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to connect Candy Crush Saga to Facebook. Connecting your Candy Crush Saga account to Facebook allows you to sync your progress, send and receive lives, and compete with friends on the leaderboard. First of all, launch the Candy Crush Saga app on your device. And if you have not logged into Facebook or King account yet, you will be able to play as a guest. To link with Facebook, first of all, tap on the gear button at the top right corner and click on Account and Help. On the next page, click on My Account. Now, go ahead and tap on the Continue with drop-down and click on Continue with Facebook. Click the Continue button once again and follow through the instructions. You will then end up in the facebook.com login page. Type down your mobile number or email address followed by your Facebook account's password in the text boxes. Finally, click on Login. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to link or connect Candy Crush Saga to Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.